Welcome back to Our Town Swamico, brought to you by Sundrop and Wagner's RV. And of course, our focus this week is on camping.
Well, we are, of course, eating too, because what is camping without a few campfire recipes? We're excited to have Amanda Dolan here from Festival Foods. It smells amazing. Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, let's talk about the simplicity that Festival offers. You even have some grab and go options, and we see them on the grill already.
We do. So this is perfect for camping. We do kebabs. They're already made up. We have chicken, beef, and seafood now, and we have tons of different varieties of marinades.
Yum.
So you can take them and throw them right on the grill, let them cook up, and you're ready to go. So.
Well, since we're on dinner already, let's make up our vegetable packet.
Yeah, you
what
got
do
it.
we do for that?
Okay, so today we're going to make a chicken tortilla. So this is a super simple recipe. I have some tortillas. We have some pre-cooked chicken here. This is Dad's chicken breast.
Okay.
I did the chili lime version, but we have crazy amounts of flavor, so you can choose whatever you'd like. We have some peppers and onions sauteed, some mushrooms. Now, the fun thing about this is you can kind of do whatever you want. So you can, you know, put out a little set of ingredients, and you can kind of build your own.
And really prep this before you go camping. Just throw it in the cooler or the camper fridge, and you're good to go.
Exactly, yep. So we're going to just take some salsa, and we're going to put it down on a tortilla here.
I never thought about doing tortillas on the grill. This is fabulous.
Right. It's kind of nice because you can have, you know, one of those like home dinners while camping too. It doesn't have to just be burgers.
That's a good chunky salsa with like beans in it too.
Yeah, it's a black bean salsa. So we're going to put some salsa down, and we're going to put some of our pre-cooked chicken in here. Now basically this is like a quesadilla, which is really fun.
Oh, so you're going to put another one on top? Okay.
Yeah. So we've got some sprayed foil. We're just going to put some of our
Sneak in some veggies for the
here.
kids and husbands, right?
Exactly. They'll never know.
I'd have to puree mine. No.
Yeah.
Which, you know, why not?
Well, you know, they're sauteed, and they're kind of sweet, so it's a nice flavor.
Absolutely.
Yep.
The mushrooms, and then the glue that holds it all together, I'm hoping is cheese.
It's cheese.
Yeah.
I mean, it's got to be cheese, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to do some of those. We're going to do some cheese. Just like that.
What's coming out is a ooey gooey mess, I can tell.
Ooey gooey mess. You're going to put a tortilla on top.
Okay.
And then I've got some foil prepped here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take this.
All right, I'll hold this for you.
Thank you.
Oh, so simple.
We're going to put it in
Put
there.
it in again. Okay.
When you're
We're
camping,
just
it's
gonna
all
wrap it up.
mess-free. That's the way to go.
Mess-free. You don't even need plates for this one. You can eat it right out of this little packet. So you take that packet, pop it on the grill. You're going to do 5 minutes on either side and take it out, and you're good to go.
And how long are the kebabs to cook on the grill?
About 15 minutes, depending on the variety.
Okay.
So
we are going to have a tasting in a little bit, but let's prep our dessert too.
We have a dessert.
Or breakfast, right? It has granola in it.
Yeah,
I think
that's
it's
true.
Yeah, absolutely. Breakfast or dessert. So this is fun. Something totally different. A lot of people don't think about grilling fruit.
Sure.
We have some nectarines here, and again, super simple. All we're going to do is just cover this nectarine with a little bit of oil.
What kind of oil are you using?
I'm using canola oil, but you could easily use an olive oil as well.
Okay.
You're just going to put that flesh side down on the grill. We're going to give it about 3 or 4 minutes, and then when it comes off, we're going to do granola, some honey, and a little bit of Greek yogurt.
Ooh, okay.
Sounds delicious.
We get to see, poor Amanda's grilling out here in the heat. She is taking care of us, and we're going to have the tasting, I guess, a little bit later this morning. For fresh ideas, though, one of my favorite places to go is fastfoods.com. You know, they have a blog on there. They have great ideas from summer to, you know, soups to warm you up in the winter.